How to create a CoinMarketCap account. You want to track crypto prices, set alerts, and access exclusive features. You'll need a CoinMarketCap account. So in this quick guide, I'll show you how to create one in just a few steps. Let's get started. Open your browser and visit CoinMarketCap.com. Click the sign up button at the top right. Now provide your email address and create a strong password. Optionally, sign up with Google or Apple for faster access. Now check your inbox for a confirmation email from CoinMarketCap and click the verification link to activate your account. Log in and update settings like watch lists, price alerts, and security options to customize your profile. You can also enable 2FA, which is the two-factor authentication, for extra security, which I sincerely advise. Now, track crypto prices, set alerts, and explore market insights. If needed, upgrade to CoinMarketCap Pro for premium features. And that's it. You've successfully created your CoinMarketCap account. Now start tracking your favorite cryptocurrencies. Thanks for watching.